Welcome to Garden Art. This is my lovely wife, Christina Anderson, and I'm Roger Anderson. For those of you that don't know, Christina is a phenomenal artist. She's got sites on Etsy and Facebook, Christina Anderson's Art. You should check that out sometime. In future posts, we'll have some videos and links for you to check out some of her wonderful art. She does oils, watercolors, and such forth. But today, you know, we're getting natural over here, right? We spent some time in Italy, specifically Sicily, and today we are going to be potting one of our favorite lemon trees. It's known as an Amalfi Lemon, a Sorrento Lemon, but specifically the Santa Teresa Lemon tree plant, which is used for its for cooking, for limoncello. It's a very popular choice. Yeah. Beautiful day here in Beaufort, South Carolina. Here is our Santa Teresa lemon tree plant. This is a classic Italian lemon tree. You'll hear it called an Amalfi lemon, Sorrento lemon, Italian lemon. Keep in mind, however, there are other kinds of Amalfi lemons. This is cocoa peat, which is supposed to be a lot better than a lot of the other peats that we see out there. I've got a bucket right here. Place one of the bricks in, and we're gonna add some warm water. It says 4.5 quarts. Not cold, not hot, but warm. And here we go. Final product. Cocoa peat, cocoa core from Burpee. So today we're going to be planting lemon tree plant. So we're pretty much going to do this equal parts. Some of our garden soil preferences. It can kind of be up to you, as long as you mix it and make it work. We've got some garden soils that are preferential to citrus type shrubs and trees. They have boron and iron and other things that are more beneficial to them. So we got our soil, our compost. Now we're going to add some cocoa peat here, which earlier I showed you. Some good stuff right here, cocoa peat. So here's our mix. What it looks like. Not too bad. Alright, again, welcome to Garden Art. Here's our soil that I was telling you about. We use black cow. We use some of our local sandy soil here in the ground because ultimately we're going to plant it in the ground. The black cow is the compost, and we got some garden soil there. We got some cocoa peat, which is basically, it's a peat that's used with coconut fibers. We've got organic perlite, which will help aerate the soil as well, because again, lemon trees require very excellent drainage. They don't like to be wet. That's a very important thing. And right there we've got our Tuscan inspired pot. We got that from a local place called Low Country Garden. Pretty awesome place. Got lots of great plants and lots of great pots. Okay, so the lemon tree, it wants about a 12-inch clearance or depth, so to speak, for the root system to grow down. And so we're gonna place it to where it's about 1 to 2 inches from the top lip of this pot, and have the end of the roots at about 12 inches depth. Give it some room to grow. ahead and take this plant out. Let's check this out one last time. This, and hopefully we'll have videos to follow on its amazing growth. And there we go. Okay. I want to kind of keep this in here as well. I'm so lucky to have this amazing artist helping me out today. Oh, actually, I missed one thing here. Supposed to kind of tease the roots a little, like just slightly loosen them. All right, go ahead and put it back in there. Look good. I know it's basically because I'm going to push down. And there you have it. We've got our Santa Teresa lemon tree plant set up. We're going to go ahead and give it a good watering, its first watering. I'm going to add a little bit of growth hormone, hopefully give it a nice fresh start. And we'll keep you updated on the progress.